Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today is lesson 3 of the pronunciation course and it's going to be about the accent grave. So yesterday we saw the accent aigu, today accent grave, tomorrow accent circonflexe. So if you have the book, it's going to be on page 6. There's no recording with this lesson. So you remember yesterday that we saw the accent aigu, the one that goes to the left. Well, now it goes to the right. So yesterday we saw that the accent aigu was only on E. Today is a bit different for the accent grave. It goes on 3 different letters. All the time, all the accent goes only on vowels. We'll never find an accent on a consonant, okay? So for this one, it's only 3. It's A, E, and U. So we are going to focus first on A and U. Then we're going to see E after. When you have a or U with an accent grave, that doesn't mean that they have a different pronunciation. Actually, the pronunciation doesn't change at all. It's used to differentiate words with the same spelling, but different meanings. Let's see a few. So we have A and A. A and A. Same pronunciation. But the first one means at, and the second one means has. So he has, il a. The second one, la and la. La and la. First one means there, the second one means the. And for U accent grave, we have mainly only this one. We have ou, and ou. So here the letter is included in the sound. Okay, O and U make the sound OO. OO. So that's it. OO and OO. The first one means where, the other one means or. So let's review for A. So we have la. La means there. We also have voilà. 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 Here, or voilà. Sometimes you say that too. And the last one, déjà. 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 So remember we saw the accent aigu yesterday. Déjà. Déjà. Already. And for U, I told you that the main one was où. Où, and it means where. Alright, now a accent grave. This one is a bit more complicated. It makes the sound eh. Eh. It's a very short sound. You kind of have the same when you say fair in English, but once again, when in English you tend to pronounce the sound very long, in French it's very short. Eh. The sound eh is very interesting in French. We have 13 different ways to obtain the sound eh. So if you thought that yesterday eh was already a lot with 6 different ways, well, wait to see E. That's a totally different story. I'm pretty sure that the sound E and E, or the confusion between them, is what makes French learners actually really confused when they hear French. I don't know, let me know in the comment section, but I think that the E and all the different ways that we have to get them makes it really hard. I don't know, let me know. So let's see how to pronounce it. The tongue is once again at the bottom of your mouth. The air goes through your mouth. It's usually in French, it always goes through your mouth. It's only for the nasal vowel that it's gonna go through your nose. And the lips are naturally open. So we have eh. Okay? Eh. And once again, if you pinch your nose, the sound shouldn't change. Eh. So let's see a few words with a accent grave. Sound eh. First one, le père. Le père. Père. The father. La mère. La mère. La mère. The mother. An adjective this time, fier. fier. So the E in this case is a bit like your yes. The Y, the sound that makes the Y, the kind of the rolling E, yes, is the same sound as this one. We're going to come back on that, but here it's not fier, it's fier, fier. It's the rolling E. And when I have an adjective, if it's a feminine adjective, I always have the little F in between brackets. Next one, un mammifère. Un mammifère. Mammal. Très, 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 very. Another animal. Un zèbre. Un zèbre. Zèbre. We already saw this one with the alphabet. Un zèbre. We saw this one yesterday actually. Un élève. Un élève. This one is very good to hear the difference between E and E. Élève. Élève. So E, you can consider that E is a lower sound, when E is a higher sound. E. La rivière. La rivière. Rivière. La rivière. And the last one, mon frère. Frère. This one is complicated because of the R. Frère. Mon frère. That's it for today. You know everything about the accent grave. Tomorrow we'll see the accent circumflex. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the many videos coming up about pronunciation. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to help you. And I will see you tomorrow for another lesson. À demain.